Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 3 in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED projector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and rear cross path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, 10-inch rear entertainment screens, dual pane panoramic sunroof, full third row seating, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number TM8024.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.